Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the Akshaya Patra for damage and surface residues. This prevents contamination and uneven cooking. Once the visual check is done, rinse with fresh water to remove dust or factory oil and set out a soft sponge and mild detergent. Make sure to avoid abrasive pads that scratch stainless surfaces. These first steps save time later because a clean, intact vessel heats evenly and stores food safely. Begin cooking only after confirming seals and handles are secure. Once cooking is complete, you act quickly. Pour out scraps, fill with warm soapy water, and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes to loosen residues. Then gently scrub with a non-abrasive sponge. This preserves the finish and prevents pitting. Rinse thoroughly to remove detergent traces because leftover soap affects taste and shelf life. Make sure to dry immediately with a microfiber cloth, and then air dry the lid inverted to prevent moisture traps and minimize bacterial growth. To finish, store the Akshaya Patra completely dry in a cool, ventilated spot away from direct sunlight to prevent warping and odors. You should perform a monthly deep clean using a baking soda paste and a vinegar rinse to lift stains and mineral buildup. If you detect persistent odors, boil water with lemon slices or half a cup of vinegar inside the vessel for 10 minutes. This neutralizes smells. If staining or rust appears, act fast, lightly buff and recondition. Replace if structural damage remains.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.